Hey guys, Amanda Shushma here and welcome to my channel along with Miss Pearl over there eating. Today I wanted to go ahead and try these Glamnetic press-on nails. I got these on Amazon for about $15. I have my Amazon storefront linked below and I'll have these linked if you want to check them out. But they do sell, I believe, in like Walgreens and Ulta and certain type of places like that. So you might be able to just find them like in the store somewhere. But I've recently gotten kind of obsessed with press-on nails. I feel like they've become more and more popular because people are trying to avoid chemicals like toxic smells and stuff like that. And people like me are trying to save some money and also the health of my nails. The one we're going to try is this Glamnetic round French tip. I thought this was a safe choice for work and kind of everyday life. I love these thinner French tips rather than the kind of bulkier look of them from the early 2000s, though those may come back like everything from the 2000s. And like I said below, it was $15 and I linked them with my Amazon affiliate code down in the description. Earlier this year, 2022, I was super obsessed with gel nails and SNS nails, or the dip powder nails. I just kept doing it. I didn't give my nails a break at all. And then one day when the girl was like removing it to add another one on, I like noticed like my actual health of my natural nails were kind of, hey Paul. Hi. And so when I realized it was actually hurting my nails really bad to not give it a break, I was like, oh my gosh, I went too hard too fast. So I stopped doing it and my, like the outer part, like the physical part of my nails got better. When they grew past my finger and they could like, you know, bend a little bit, they were bending really bad. So I just kept them short and I wanted like some press-on nails. Look at how pretty these look. Got them out of the packaging. I've never tried an almond shaped rounded type nail. I've only tried like the square ones, so I'm excited to try these. But basically I, you know, gave my nails some natural time to relax and get strong again, and so they are now. They're perfectly fine and healthy, but I just been keeping them short. I kind of prefer that now, just keeping them short and then doing press-on nails. It's less expensive than getting your nails done and you can switch it up and get all these different looks. So anyway, let's just get into it. So I was trying to aesthetically open it for you guys, but yeah, they're kind of just stuck on there. So I tried to put them back together, but it comes with 24 nails to choose from. Hopefully we can all find a match. And then it comes with the file, the cuticle stick, and the glue. So now I'm just going to try and match all of like the nails to my nails. And I will be back. You guys, I just put these on my left hand. What do you guys think? These are a little bit longer than what I'm used to. My other hand looks like this. But oh my gosh, I love it. First of all, I'm such a beginner at this. I have done press-on nails like 3 times and I did it for a wedding too, and I didn't know this. I didn't know that you're supposed to like smooth the glue out, and that way you prevent like any air bubbles from showing. And my nails now look smooth, but the ones I did before didn't look smooth, and I went to a wedding like that. But I feel like people don't pay that much attention to your nails. They kind of see it from afar. But yeah, now I know. Yeah, I feel like these like glue-on press-on nails are so interesting because you can get like different sets from people on Etsy and stuff. Like they can make you your own set and you just measure your finger by like the millimeter. Like what? I'm so shocked and like new to this press-on community, but I'm here to stay. And I did see a holiday set I wanted from Etsy, so definitely stay tuned for that. I love having claws. These are so much fun. I can't believe I lived my life not really knowing much about these, and now as I'm getting closer to 30 is when I've discovered this. Another reason I'm a fan of these is because like you can just glue it back on if it falls off, you know what I mean? Like I went to a wedding, I was dancing like crazy, noticed one of them fell off, ran to the bathroom, had glue in my purse, and then freaking glued it back on and went back to dancing. It's awesome and easy. I am a fan. I feel like this also gives like, you know, even if you're not exclusively into them, it gives you a chance to try out different nail shapes and lengths that you may not necessarily be sure about or want to pay for. So this might be a fun way to like test different styles you may or may not be interested in. Like I had my natural nails kind of grow out to be almond shaped, but obviously they're not going to be as perfect as like a manufactured one. And I am obsessed. I'm obsessed. I will say with like the oval and square press-on nails, I was able to trim it and buff it and make it look a little bit more to my style. But these almond ones, there's no way I could do that. They would just look completely off if I tried to mess with them. So keep that in mind if you are a fan of like trimming and cutting the nails. Like, you really can't do that with this set. And also, these ones are reusable. At least that's what the box says. So I guess I could just pick them off and clean them up and use them again, which I'm super excited about because they are more on the natural side and I could wear it to work and just, I don't know, I just feel so classy with this. So I'm just gonna put the rest of these on and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, now I feel like a whole new woman. It's crazy like what nails can do to your personality. Like, I don't have any makeup on, I haven't done anything, gotten dressed really, but the nails make me feel like a bad bee right now. And wait. That is something I have missed with the short nails. But yes, now I feel like a whole new person. And I have to learn how to like get through life with these nails. So yeah. And anyone who has any tips, maybe you notice I should do something differently, or you're not sure if I do this or whatever, let us know all the tips, all the brands down below if you have any suggestions. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a girl a like. Bye!